Hello everyone, today we will do exercise 15.1 of unit 15, that is patterns. So let's do the first question. Find the next square number. So here in part A, the square number given is 121 and we have to find the next square number after 121. So how to do this question? First of all, we will just try to understand that 121 is square of which number. Fine. So 11 into 11 is 121. It means it is the square of 11. So how will we get the next square number? By multiplying 12 by 12. So next square number is 12 into 12, 144. Similarly, part B, 256. So we need to find the next square number after 256. So we know that 256 is a square of 16 because 16 into 16 is 256. So next square number is 17 into 17, that is 289. Next is question number 2. Find the square number just before 100. Fine. So 100 is a square of 10 because 10 into 10 is 100. So square number just before will be 9 into 9, that is 81. Now part B, we need to find the square number just before 196. So we know that 14 into 14 is 196. 196 is a square of 14. So next square number just before is 13 into 13, that is 169, because if 196 is square of 14, so square number just before it will be the square of 13, that is 13 into 13, 169. Now next is question number 3. Find a square number between 75 and 90. So first of all, you will write all these numbers between 75 to 90 and then you will find a square number. So here there is only one square number, that is 81. 9 9s are 81 because before it the square number is 7 7s are 49, which is less than 75, and after 81 the next square number is 10 10s are 100, which is more than 90. So there is only one square number, that is 81. Now next is question number 4. Express the following square numbers as the sum of odd numbers. So here a square number 81 is given. We need to just write this square number as the sum of odd numbers. So first of all, we need to find 81 is square of which number. So it is square of 9 because 9 9s are is 81. So 81 is sum of first 9 odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. So we have to write the first 9 odd numbers. Next is 144. So 144 is a square of 12 because 12 into 12 is 144. So 144 is the sum of first 12 odd numbers. So we need to write the first 12 odd numbers like this. Fine. Now next is question number 5. Without actual adding, find the sum. So in this question, without actually adding these numbers, we need to find the sum. So how we can do that? We need to just count all these numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 numbers and all these 10 numbers are odd numbers. Fine. So this is sum of first 10 odd numbers. So how we can find the sum without actually adding? Let's see here. So these are first 10 odd numbers. So how we can find the sum? 10 into 10, that is 100. First 10 odd numbers. So this is the sum of first 10 odd numbers. That is the sum will be square of 10. Now similarly in the B part, you can just see that there are 13 odd numbers. So this is sum of first 13 odd numbers. So the sum will be, now just see here, these are first 13 odd numbers. So sum will be 13 into 13, that is 169. Now the next question is question number 6. Use shortcut to find the answer, that is 11 into 11 minus 10 into 10. So what is the shortcut? So you will take 11 from the first part and 10 from the second part and you will find the sum, that is 11 plus 10 is 21. But if you solve it like this only, then also you will get the same answer, that is 21, but this is the shortcut. And this shortcut is as per the properties given in the chapter. Now next is 25 into 25 minus 24 into 24. So the shortcut will be 25 plus 24, that is 49. One from this pair and one from this pair. Next is 139 into 139 minus 138 into 138. So what to do? 139 plus 138, that is 277. Now in question number 7, we need to complete the blanks. But for that, we have to just observe the pattern. So here 100 minus 81 is 19. So 100 is square of 10. 81 is square of 9. And here the odd number 19 is there, which is the difference of these two numbers. Now after this, here square of 10 and 9 is there. Then 9 and 8 is there. Then 8 and 7. So next will be 7, 6, 5, 7, 6. Then 6, 5 and then 5. 4. So here square of, that is 7, and here square of 6. Fine. So here again 6, 5 and then 5, 4. Square of 6 is 36. Square of 5 is 25. Then here square of 5 will get repeated and here it will be square of 4. And here we have to write the odd numbers in decreasing order. 19, then 17, 15, 13, 11 and 9. So we have to observe the pattern like this and then solve it properly. Now here in the next part, 4 into 4 is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And after that, we have to write the numbers in decreasing order. Plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 means we have to go up to 4. Fine. And after that, we have to just keep on just decreasing the numbers. Then here 5 into 5. So we need to write the first 5 numbers. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And after that, we will just start decreasing them. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Similarly, 6 into 6. So we have to write the numbers up to 6 and after that we have to keep on decreasing them. 7 into 7. So first of all, we will write the numbers up to 7 and then we will start decreasing them. 8 into 8. So we have to write the numbers up to 8 and then we have to start writing them in a decreasing order. Next is 9 into 9. We have to write the sum of first 9 numbers and then we have to start decreasing them up to 1. Now next is part C. So here 25 plus 11 is 36. So 25 is square of 5. This is the odd number and this is the square of 6. Find square of 5, square of 6 and in between there is an odd number. So after this, here it is square of 6, square of 7. Fine. Then again here we will have square of 7 and square of 8. Fine. And then square of 8, square of 9, square of 9, square of 10, square of 10, square of 11. So this is how we have to just complete the pattern and in between we have to write the odd numbers in an increasing order. That is 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and 21. So we have to observe the given pattern and then we have to just continue it to complete the blanks. Now next part D. 5 into 5 minus 4 into 4. So how we have to do it? Twice of 5 minus 1, twice of the greater number. Fine. Then 6 into 6 minus 5 into 5. Then twice of the greater number minus 1. 7 into 7 minus 6 into 6. It means twice of the greater number, that is 7 minus 1. Similarly, twice of greater number 8 minus 1. Then twice of greater number 9 minus 1. And at last twice of the greater number 10 minus 1. Fine. So this is how you can complete the given pattern. Next is question number 8. Which of the following may be a square number or may be square numbers? So 625. Yes, 625 is a square number since the ones digit is 5. Because we know for a square number, the last digit means the digit at the ones place should be 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Then we can just determine whether the given number is a square number or not. Next is 143. So no, 143 is not a square number because its last digit is not ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Now next is 324. So again 324 is a square number since one's digit is 4. Next is 407. Again it is not a square number. The reason is same. Its last digit is not ending in 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. If the digit will, the number will end in 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, then we have to determine whether it is a square number or not. But we can check if the last digit is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Last is 198. So again 198 is not a square number because the last digit is not digit is not ending in 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Next is question number 9. Find all square numbers between 60 and 120. So how we can find that? Between 60 and 120. So 8 into 8 is 64, 9 into 9 is 81 and 10 into 10 is 100. Because before 64 it is 7 into 7, 49. So after 7 into 7 we have to start with the next number, that is 8 into 8. And after 10 into 10, that is 100, it is 11 into 11, that is 121, which is more than 120. So there are only 3 square numbers between 60 and 120. Other square numbers are not between 60 and 120. Now next question, question number 10. What smallest number should be added to 250 to make it a square number? So what we have to add in 250, and that should be the smallest number, fine, to make it a square number. So the number which is a square number and it's less than 250 is 225. So 15 into 15 is 225 and it is less than 250. So next square number will be 16 into 16, that is 256. But to make 250 to 256, we need to add 6 to it. It means 6 should be the smallest number that is to be added to 250 to make it a square number. First of all, we need to find the square number less than 250, and then we can easily find out the next number after the next square number after it, and then we can add that number to it to make it a square number. So I hope you would have understood this exercise. Thank you.